Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and I will be very fast with this intro. But in today's video, I'm gonna give you tips and tricks on how to make a good book cover while I am doing a book cover for my portfolio. If you like this video, if you like this kind of content, like, subscribe, comment down below. That will help a lot the channel. And if you want more videos like this one, please comment down below that I have a lot more to give it to you, and any question that you have at any point in this video, put it down below that I will answer. Let's just go to the video. First, I go to Gemini, and whenever I don't have a real work or whenever I don't have a commission and I want to produce something for my portfolio, I use artificial intelligence to generate me a sort of briefing so I know what kind of, give me a help in deciding what to create. I went to Gemini and I generated a briefing, and that's what I was using. So this is basically some designs that I was making, before for my ebook. The link is in the description, but we will talk a little bit about more later. But yeah, so the briefing said something about magic rain and clouds and being all romantic and being all lovely. And my first idea was creating something with a sort of happy feel, happy vibe, and very romantic. I am using only free assets on Canva, and I am basically creating this sort of thing. Normally, I would take this Canva product and put it in a drawing software and draw on top of it just to generate a sort of more natural feel. So yeah, basically this is what I was creating. My idea was a sort of sunset with clouds and lamps and rain. So as you can see, I am having a lot of problems using the free rain on Canva. I don't know if I would use that or if I would use a different sort of rain, but this is me doing the best that I can with the free assets that Canva give us. So this is basically my first iteration. I wasn't really loving it, and I want to do something different. That's why if you look down here, we have a second panel where I have my second reference, my second option. So I wasn't loving the lamps and the colors, so I decided to go with a more like nightly feel. So I went with the building silhouette. I really do love silhouettes and working with them. So yeah, that is something that I am doing. I am organizing my layers, and I do still have the clouds. I want to use the clouds to kind of separate where I do have the text, and where I do have the buildings and the people silhouette and everything. So I was struggling with choosing a font. I went with this one, and I really wanted like yellow font. I don't know why. I wanted to give a more golden, so it looks more magical. So I then went with a darker feel. This is a random name, Tina McLevin. I don't know. I don't know why I created this name, but this is just a random name. So and then I was trying to add lights because I felt like the scene was too dark, and I really like the spotlight. I don't know why I deleted it, but I would really add that. It looked really nice. So and then I took the clouds out and I used the fade just so the rain wasn't coming from anywhere and just having that rush separation. And then I wanted to add the magical touch, so I added the sparkles, and basically this is the cover that we have. I hope you enjoy it, and see you in the next video. I really do love this cover. It looks really nice, and I really do love it. If you are a designer and you're looking for tips and tricks and everything that I learned from designing book covers, I normally work with Wattpad creators and some ebook creators. So I do design a lot of book covers, and I decided to write a ebook about it. So if you need any help, or if you are not a designer and if you're looking for coloring book services, please DM me. You will have my email here. You can email me. I do a lot of styles of book covers, more artsy ones, with obviously drawn pieces, and sort of this style with free Canva assets. I basically can design anything, and if you're basically looking for any sort of other design service, you can DM me and I can help you. Also, if you are a designer and if you're looking for a sort of like, if you're looking for resources to improve your book design, I do have an ebook that I wrote, not using AI, please. Not using AI. I really wrote it from my experience. You can go to the link in the comments and download it. It is $6, but you literally will get the most value. It is just the preview. I am testing the waters. If it goes well, I will obviously release the full version. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.